Good evening, students of class 12. Let us continue the chapter number 3 with the topic types of resistors. I am Dhanu Sareya presenting you the topic of types of resistors from chapter number 3. Now, there are two types of resistors available in the market for commercial and the use of laboratory. Okay, so let us consider these two types. One is a wire bound resistor and the other is a carbon resistor. Now, wire bound resistors are made of or by winding wires of alloys. Example, nichrome, Constantan, and manganese and other alloys, such that the resistivity or because the resistivity of these alloys has very less dependence on temperature. Okay, that means these wire bound resistors are not affected by the changes in temperature such that its resistivity remains the same and hence the resistance and hence the current. That's why they are made up of alloys. Examples are given to you as nichrome, Constantan, manganese, okay, etc. Now, they are used for very less value of resistance. That means to have resistors with very less value from a few fractions, less value from few fractions to 100 ohms resistance. If is required, then we use wire bound resistors. Fine. So for low values of resistance, these wire bound resistors are used. Now let us understand the second type of resistors used in laboratory or for domestic purposes. Let us write it is made up of usually carbon. Reason for using them: compact, small in size, less expensive, that's why they are used in compact electronic devices. Their range is high range resistors. Okay, so their value on these resistors is not written but indicated by value is indicated by 3 or 4 color bands on it. Okay, we will see how these 3 or 4 color bands can be used to calculate the resistance of carbon resistors in the next page. Fine. So they are used for a high range of resistances required, compact, small in size, and they are also less expensive. So they are used for these purposes in electronic devices. Fine. Okay. So there are two types of resistors which we have seen. Compare their qualities and understand why they are used and for what purpose they are used and their constructions. Fine, I hope you have understood this concept very clearly. Keep watching till the end so that you will understand very nicely how to use these color bands to calculate the resistance of these resistors with a very nice trick with little bit of fun. So keep watching this video till the end. The next page we shall calculate the resistance of carbon resistors. I shall move. Please take a pic so that these variations can be understood by you very clearly. Now let us understand how to find the resistance of the resistor with the available bands on a carbon resistor. Now here I have drawn a diagram of a carbon resistor with three bands of different colors in it. They can be of same colors also. Okay, what does these bands indicate? The band number 1, 2, 3, 4 indicates the value of the resistance on this carbon resistor. Now band number 1 and 2 are the two significant numbers of the value of the resistance. Band number 3 indicates the decimal multiplier. In short, you can say power of 10. As I said, that this type of resistors are used for high resistance. And band number 4 may or may not be there on this resistor. Fine. If it is not there or there, it indicates a tolerance. Tolerance for the value indicated by this band. Okay? Or predicted or indicated by the bands. Value shown or indicated by the bands. If it is a silver band, then the tolerance is 5%. That means it may be having a variation of 5% as indicated by the band number 1, 2, 3. If it is a golden band, then 10% of tolerance. If it is a no band, that means only 3 colors are there, then 20% of variation is possible as indicated by band number 1, 2 and 3. So let us indicate the color code for these colors or numbers for these colors. Black 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, grey 8 and white 9. Fine. Okay. So these are the numbers for these color codes. Accordingly, let us write its multipliers. 1, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to 7, 10 raised to 8 and 10 raised to 9. Fine. So these are the color codes and these are their respective numbers and these are their multipliers. Okay, keep watching. I will just tell you a trick to remember these numbers with the colors. And in the next page, some more examples of such resistors will be calculated using the color codes. Fine. Now, coming to the trick, we actually may not remember the colors and their numbers. Once we know the numbers, multipliers are easier. So there is one funny or different slogan for remembering these colors. Okay, so let us write that slogan. B. Roy. This is the name of a person, B. Roy, of Great Britain has a very good wife. Fine. So read it as B. Roy, R-O-Y, Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. B is for black. Second B is for brown. R is for red. O is for orange. Y is for yellow. Of great, there is green for it. G for green. B for blue. Britain, blue. Has a very violet. V for violet. Good for grey. G for grey. Wife for white. This is a simple and a funny way to remember the colors in this sequence so that these numbers also follow in the same sequence and hence the multipliers. So now using this table and the trick shown to you, let us calculate the resistance of this resistor. Find red 2. The second band is blue 6. First 2 digits are the significant numbers. Multiplier. Third digit is a multiplier, but the third band is the red. So 2. So 10 raised to 2. The last band is silver. So tolerance of plus or minus 5% ohms is the value of this resistance for this resistor. Fine. Okay. So like this we can calculate the resistance of such carbon resistors using this fun trick, remembering the colors and number for the color codes. Fine. So I hope you have understood this concept. Please take a pic. I shall move. So let us calculate resistance of certain resistors with the color bands. Fine. Using the trick I have shown in the previous page and our remembrance also. So this band is green. Let us write G here. This is blue and this is red. There is no fourth band. So using the color code, green is 5. Number for green is 5. Number for blue is 6. And multiply by number for red is 2. So 10 raised to 2. There is no band. So plus or minus 20% variation or tolerance with the value given here. This is the value. Now using the trick, we can go to green. B-R-O-Y, Roy of great, which is green. Fine. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, green. That's what I wrote here. of Great Britain. 6. This is 5, so this is 6. So 6 I have written as the number for blue. Red we have already seen. B01 Roy R. Red is 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay, so this is 2. So multiplier 10 raised to 2. Plus or minus, no band is there, 20%. So this way, even if you forget the color code, using the fun trick, you can find out the values of the color. Fine. Similarly, we go to the next color, that is color band, that is yellow, red, blue and silver. Fine. Yellow is 4. Red is 2. Into blue, just now we found or we remember 10 raised to 6. Plus or minus silver, 5% tolerance. Yes, we can go to the color code again for yellow, red and blue. We have already done just now. So, yellow. B. Roy. R. For red is 2. O. Orange. Y. Yellow. Fine. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have written 4 for yellow. Fine. Okay. And red is 2 and B is 6, which was indicated here already. Plus or minus, it is 5% tolerance. Fine. Okay. Similarly, let us go. So using the trick, you can write down the correct resistance. Fine. Okay. So now let us go to the third example, where this is green in color, red in color, red in color. Now this is gold band. Fine. Now green we have already understood with the trick 5. Red also understood with the trick 2 into 10 raised to 2. Plus or minus for gold, it is 10% tolerance. Fine. It can variate, be more or be less than 10% of this value indicated here. Fine. So using the table by remembrance or by trick, for every color we can find out the resistance indicated. The first 2 colors are for the significant numbers. Third color is for power raised to 10. Fourth color, if it is there, silver 5%, gold 10%, tolerance for the variation of the resistance indicated by these numbers. Units, do not forget ohms. Fine. Okay. So this is the way to calculate the resistance of carbon resistors. They are very tiny, compact. These colors have to be visualized very clearly so that you calculate the correct resistance in the laboratory or given in the exams. Fine. Okay. So I hope this concept is understood by you very clearly and you will be able to find out the values of resistance. I shall move. Please take a pic.